All right, let's talk Arizona real estate contracts. We're going to dive into how you actually get paid.
You closed the deal, which is great. But the real question is, will you see that commission? Because in Arizona, a handshake means nothing. It all boils down to what's in writing. And here's the crazy part. You can be legally responsible to a client even without a contract. So you've got all the responsibility, but no guarantee of payment. How do you fix that? Well, Arizona law lays out 4 mandatory rules for your contract, and they are not optional. Get this, if you miss just one of these, your entire commission could be toast. Seriously. And this comes straight from state law. The courts are super strict about it to protect everyone. They call this a real estate employment agreement. Think of it like a double lock on your commission. Okay, so beyond those 4 big rules, there are some major do's and don'ts you gotta know. For instance, you can't just hand off your contract, and definitely no poaching clients. It's serious business. And why no assigning? Well, it's a personal contract. It's built on trust with you specifically. Now, this next part isn't required, but you absolutely want it. A broker protection clause. So how does this all play out in the real world? Let's look at some actual court cases. Here's a big one. What if a seller backs out of an exclusive listing early? Do you still get paid? The court said yes, but only if your contract has a solid liquidated damages clause. That's the key. Okay, next question. Is the commission earned when the contract's signed or only when it closes? The ruling? It's earned when a binding contract is signed unless you wrote it differently. Your job is done. This all comes down to something called procuring cause. Basically, who really made the sale happen? So you see, these court cases aren't just history. They're real-world lessons for every single agent. So that compliant written agreement, it's not just paperwork. It's the only thing that guarantees you get paid. The bottom line is this. Is your contract actually built to protect you? It's worth a look.